guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my favourite fall lipsticks. So I tend to do this video every year or most years on my channel because it changes. Every year I have different fall lipsticks that are my favourite because I end up buying new makeup or I just change my mind. So most of the things today now are drugstore, except for one item which is high-end, but I usually wear drugstore makeup, and these are just the lipsticks that I'm loving to wear around this time of year in the fall. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so first up we have this NYX Butter Gloss. You will see this mentioned most times of year with me because I wear this all year round. I love it. So this is the Creme Brulee Butter Gloss. I love it. I love this lip gloss. Honestly, I buy so many of these because I go through them so much. These are amazing. I love the NYX Butter Glosses and this is definitely my favourite shade. Look how wearable this is. You can wear this with any look, any outfit, any makeup. This looks amazing. It stays on a pretty decent amount of time. It's really, really comfortable. It's not sticky at all, and these are only £6. I love this shade. I will never stop wearing this. It's amazing. Next up we have a Revlon lipstick. So this is the Revlon Matte Balm. So it's like a lip crayon, but it's a matte crayon. So this is in the shade Enchanting. So this is a very natural, typical fall type lipstick for me. This is an everyday brown matte lipstick. It's not drying. It's actually a really comfortable matte lipstick because it has sort of moisturization in it because it's a balm. So I tend to go for these more so than any other kind of matte lipstick. I also love the smell of these Revlon lip crayons. They smell really nice and minty fresh. This will last a pretty decent amount of time, but obviously not all day, and it's nice and matte as well. And look how natural the colour is. It goes with pretty much any outfit, and yeah, it's really nice for fall. Next up we have a Colourpop lipstick. This is the Colourpop Lux Lipstick in the shade Tiptoe. So this is also a very wearable everyday nude, but this isn't matte at all, it's a satin, so it's a lot more comfortable to wear. Mind you, the other one was also really comfortable to wear, but this one isn't going to last as long as the matte version because it's more creamy, so you will need to reapply this more throughout the day. I think this was around about $7, so really affordable, and yeah, I just really like this shade during this time of year in the fall. Next up we have another Colourpop lipstick. This is the Just a Tint Lip Crayon in the shade Z Boys, or as you would say in America, Z Boys. Okay, so this is more of a darker nude, but still a very fall type shade. This is definitely bolder for me. I wouldn't wear this on an everyday basis. I'd probably wear this to a party or something. But these lip crayons by Colourpop are some of my favourites. They smell nice, they feel amazing. They're so comfortable and moisturising on my lips. I love them, and there's loads of different shades as well. So yeah, I really like this one for fall. Next up we have another Colourpop one. This is the Lippie Stix in the shade Aquarius. So this is just such a natural, everyday, wearable nude. It's like the perfect nude. I would wear this with any kind of outfit, any makeup, to the shops, to work, anyway. It's such a natural lipstick. It's also really creamy, moisturising and comfortable on your lips, but it really doesn't last very long because it's such a creamy formula, so you do need to apply it throughout the day, but I just love this one. It looks really nice with this makeup as well. I really like it. Next up we have this number 7 lipstick. So number 7 is a Boots brand. So this is the Moisture Drenched lipstick in the shade Honey Bloom. This also has SPF 15 in it. Right, I'm sure you're noticing a pattern here. It's all nude brown lipsticks. So around this time of year, fall, I like to wear nude brown lipsticks. Fall is brown. Fall are brown colours, and nude everyday lipsticks are what I'm all about. So they suit my skin tone, they suit my hair colour, my eye colour. So yeah, this is a really moisturising one. A little bit pricier than the other ones because number 7 isn't such an affordable brand. It's a little bit pricier, but really like this one too. Now next up we have the only high-end lipstick that I've got in this video. It's the Too Faced lipstick. I can't remember the name of the lipstick because it's not on here, but it's just a Too Faced lipstick in the shade Sure Thing. Now, I like to wear this with a lip liner underneath. It's a little bit pale on its own, but when I pair it with a lip liner, it just looks perfect and it's really, really comfortable to wear. I can wear this all day, it lasts all day and it's super comfortable and doesn't look drying or anything, especially with a lip liner on underneath. Also, make sure you put a moisturizer on underneath as well so it lasts longer. But yeah, it's so creamy. It's a really creamy matte, but it's just a little bit too pale on its own. But when I pair it with a lip liner, it's perfect because I usually wear this around this time of year anyway to special events. So yeah, I really like this one too, but it is a lot more pricier than the other ones. Next up we have this Maybelline Colour Sensational lipstick in the shade Rosy Risk. Now this is genuinely one of my top favourite lipsticks to wear around fall and winter time. I wear this a lot. It has a bit more colour than some of the other ones, but it's still a really natural, everyday, wearable lipstick. Like you could wear this to work, you could wear this to go shopping. It's just a really natural, almost pinky reddish nude. So I really love this one. These are only like £6 and there's so many shades. So I love these Maybelline Colour Sensationals. Next up we have this Beauty Bay lip gloss in the shade Slippers. Okay, so this is a similar colour to the NYX Butter Gloss. I really like these Beauty Bay glosses. I have about 3 or 4 of them and they are super affordable. They're only about £6 each, right? And they are really, really nice. They last quite a decent amount of time on your lips. My favourite shade is the shade Candy, but I like to wear that around the summertime. But this is the shade that I will wear around this time of year. It's very brown, it's very neutral and nude. Yeah, I really love it. It's not sticky at all, and it's really comfortable to wear. And the final one, I only did my top 10. This is the final one. It's more like a lip balm, not a lipstick. This is the Sephora Moisturising Lip Balm in the shade Lychee. So this is a very natural moisturising lip balm. There's hardly any colour to it. It smells really nice and this is so hydrating. I have about 3 or 4 of these Sephora lip balms and honestly they're my favourite. They're $7 each, but I actually bought 4 while I was in America and we actually got a discount for buying so many. So it is worth checking them out. Unfortunately we don't have Sephora in the UK, annoyingly, so when I'm out in America or wherever there's Sephora's I tend to pick up a few things. But yeah, I love these. These moisturising lip balms by Sephora are my favourite. And I'm loving this one at the moment because it is such a natural, everyday lip. And it's hydrating, which you want at this time of year. So it's perfect. Love this one too. Okay, so those were my top 10 favourite fall lipsticks 2022. I hope this was helpful if you are looking to buy some new lipsticks for around this time of year. I love all of these and most of them were drugstore and affordable products too. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!